What's going on, guys? Hayden back. In today's video, we're going to be asking Tesla owners, what do they do for a living? As you guys can see, we're at a Tesla dealership, which I didn't even think exists, but we're going to be going to Superchargers and charging stations and trying to find, hopefully, some Tesla owners that can answer a few simple financial questions. All right, so we have just teleported here to San Carlos. This is a shopping center, but also, as you can see behind me, is a bunch of Superchargers. So hopefully we can ask some of these people. Hopefully they're cordial enough to answer a few of the questions. So let's go check it out. So first off, what car do you have?
Got a Tesla Model Y.
How much does something like that cost?
Somewhere in between 70 to 80,000.
$80,000 for this? And what do you do for a living?
I'm actually a builder here in Southwest
A builder?
Florida. Yep.
Okay. Is that something you do for yourself? Are you self-employed?
Yes.
Okay. Did you go to college?
I did not.
You didn't go to college?
No, I didn't.
Do you think it's worth going to college nowadays, or there's so many other areas to being successful?
To be honest with you, I think it's more about networking.
Yeah.
It's all about who you hang around with, the right connections, and from there you grow, man.
So what was the leading factor that you decided not to go to college?
Because I started working as far as construction area.
Okay.
So from there, I got my own crew set up. I opened up my own business, and here I am today.
How much does that make, if you don't mind me asking? What can you bring on average?
On revenue, let's just stick to yearly basis.
Okay.
Me personally, you're looking somewhere between 1.3 to
1.3 mil?
Yeah.
Is that gross or net?
That's gross.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Do you have your own employees?
I do, yes. Over 42 employees. Yeah.
Over 42 employees.
Yeah,
you started
look
yourself.
Me up, man. A&J Luxury Customs.
Okay, is that on Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram.
What are some of your successful habits?
Reading daily.
Do you get up early in the morning?
5 in the morning.
5 a.m.?
Yeah.
You think that changes? It makes you different, stand out from other people? Early bird
It
gets
really
the worm?
does. It really does.
So what Tesla do you have?
It's a 2018 Model 3.
Did you buy it outright?
No, I financed it.
Financed it. How much does this cost?
$39,500.
Okay. All right, not too bad. So what do you do for a living that you can afford the Tesla?
I'm a CPA.
How much does something like that make as a CPA?
Nothing crazy. Probably start out at 50, 60,000, and then they work their way up to just a general accountant, to a senior, to a manager, to a partner, and then you raise salaries. I mean, they probably get upwards of 150, 200 as they move up.
What do you think the biggest factor was to helping you get to where you are today, to making you successful?
Competitiveness, I guess I'd say. I mean,
Yeah.
I wanted to be the best in school and whatever I did, so I always wanted to get good grades. I wanted to go to the best school I could possibly go to, you know what I mean? I wanted to, and same thing in college, just going through. I mean, for me, it's probably just competitiveness, you know what I mean?
Are there more business incentives to getting a Tesla over other cars?
Now with Tesla, so there are EV credits. So you go buy a car, you can get a credit on your tax return for buying an electric vehicle.
Okay.
But because Tesla's produced a certain amount of cars, I don't know the exact number, but they've produced enough cars where they don't qualify for the credit anymore.
I have a YouTube finance channel, and we're asking people what do they do to afford Teslas. If you had 2 minutes, I just asked everybody down the line.
Sure.
Cool. So what Tesla do you have?
I have the Model Y.
How much does that cost?
About 60.
Did you buy it outright, lease it, finance?
I ordered it and bought it outright.
What do you do for a living?
I'm retired. I was a high-tech executive.
High-tech executive?
Yeah.
Did you go to college?
Yes.
You think college is important?
I don't know. I have 4 older brothers that worked in the trades. Did
Yeah.
quite well without college. So it all depends on what you want to do.
Yeah. How much did that career, you said, make, I guess on average, a year?
Yeah.
Over 6 figures?
Yeah.
What is the biggest factor that has helped you be successful?
Preparation,
Preparation?
hard work,
Yeah.
perseverance.
Perseverance. What's the hardest decision you ever had to make, I guess, in business?
What career direction when I was in college?
All right, so it seems like that was everybody at the Tesla Superchargers here in Fort Myers. We could either wait around another 2 hours for people to come, or I think it's better if we go jump to Naples, Florida, and ask some of those people what do they do for a living. Because it seems like a lot of people have very high successful jobs, or they're self-employed. So let's go over to Naples and see what we can find. My name's Hayden, by the way.
Hayden?
Yeah.
Angelo, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So what Tesla do you have?
This is a Model 3 Performance.
How much does the Model 3 Performance go for?
The lease price right now is about in the 800s.
How do you afford $800 a month payment?
So I do a sales job.
You have a sales job.
Commission, yeah. I work over the summer doing door-to-door sales. I like it because the harder I work, the more I can make.
How much does that gross in a year?
So we have some guys that are out there making $300K, and our worst guys
doing that.
Yeah.
Wow.
In the summertime.
Did you go to college?
I did for about a few weeks, yeah.
Okay.
Back in 2019, I gave it a few weeks, and then I decided, I was like, especially what I wanted to get into at the time was more computer type stuff, where I don't think you really need school. You go to like a coding boot camp or something like that.
You have any successful habits you think that got you to where you are?
I think this is gonna sound like kind of cliche or cheesy, but just my positivity, really. Just like being able to keep a smile on my face through tough situations, being able to kind of adapt, and just being able to find. It's really easy to be negative.
Yeah.
It's easy to find a negative in anything, but
100%.
It takes a lot of creativity to be positive.
Do you have any advice for somebody trying to become successful?
Yeah, I think something big is just like discipline, right? Like having habits that you can kind of build off of, and not trying to do too much at one time. Like people will go like, they'll wake up one morning and they're just like, hey, I want to be successful today. I'm going to start doing this, and that. And it just overwhelms them immediately, and they kind of fall off of it. And you see like New Year's resolutions 2-3 weeks down the road.
Yeah.
Right? Starting small, there's like a book that's been recommended to me a bunch of times called Atomic Habits. It just talks about getting 1% better every day, and then end of the year, you're 365% better.
What Tesla did you win? You said you won it?
Yeah, I won the Model 3 long range.
Okay.
I work for an insurance company. Arias Agencies is the agency that I work for. So shout out to Simon Arias.
What is the typical salary that somebody selling life insurance? That's commission based?
Yeah, it's a commission-based company. Most people probably make 6 figures. There's people that make millions of dollars doing it too.
From in your company specifically?
Yeah.
Millions of dollars, life insurance. Any successful habits you've developed throughout your career or that's helped you get to where you are?
I'm really big into making lists every day, having a family and
Routines.
kids and routines, waking up early and just staying on those disciplines.
Did you go to college?
Yes.
Okay. 2 years, 4 years?
I went to 4-year college, University of Central Florida in Orlando, Florida.
Did you use college to get to where you are? You think it helped? Or did you need it to get here?
I definitely did not need it. There's lots of people that work at our company that don't have college degrees. That's actually something we really pride ourselves on, is you just have to be a hard worker. You don't need a degree to be successful in the insurance world.
Who am I speaking with?
Lavisa.
And what car do you have? What Tesla is that?
It's a Tesla Y Performance.
So what do you do for a living to afford a car like that?
I actually have a consignment boutique and I do estate sales.
Is that local in Florida?
I moved from Philadelphia and I'm starting my business here, so
super
look me
cool.
up, Peacock Avenue Design on Instagram.
Peacock Avenue Design on Instagram. Is that local over here or Fort Myers?
I cover pretty much Naples, Bonita.
And what is owning your own business? What do you typically make on a good year? Is it more than 6 figures or?
Yeah, approximately, yeah.
Okay. Did you go to college to do
I went to
that?
college and I went to graduate school, but for a different career.
Did you use what you learned in business management to help you where you are now?
Yeah, I understood the basic principles, and then from there you have to adapt with technology and social media and so forth to promote yourself. So,
Do you have any successful habits that got you to where you are?
my husband, he's very cautious about spending, so he tries to say don't spend too much and just kind of be careful and budget and so forth. So.
Any advice you have for somebody younger to get to where you are?
I think people just need to put the hours in. Sometimes people think it's easy just posting pictures on Instagram, whatever, and that's it. That's how you become famous or make money, but there's a lot more that goes behind the scenes. So work hard, work till 3 o'clock in the morning sometimes, so that's what you have to do.
What Tesla do you have?
I got a Model 3.
What did it cost?
I pay 42.
42,000. Did you pay it outright or?
Yes.
You paid it outright. What do you do for a living to afford a car like that? What did you do?
I used to work for Blue Cross Blue Shield.
Do you think college is important nowadays to afford a Tesla or to become successful?
It is important in the fact that you get to know people from other places.
Networking.
Yeah, networking.
As a manager of the insurance company, how much does that usually pay?
70, 80.
$80,000. Do you need you don't need to go to school to get that job?
It is either go to school or start at the bottom.
Yeah.
And then move up.
What do you like about the Tesla over a regular gas-powered car?
Everything.
Everything. All right, guys, that's pretty much wrapping up today's video. Hopefully you liked asking Tesla owners how much money do they make and what do they do for a living. I personally learned a lot. It seems like everybody is either in sales or has started their own business after college. Let me know what you think about this down in the comment section below. But with that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, if you want to see me interviewing supercar millionaires, make sure to watch this video right over here, or maybe it's over here. I'll see you guys later.